Go away! Go away!
I'm here to play again, Polly, want a cracker? Do ya?
Hey, kid, stop messing with the animals. After today, I won't have to worry about her anymore.
Hello? Can somebody help me?
Yeah, lady, what do you want? All I got left is the cat or the bird. At 5 o'clock, I'm selling who's ever left to one of the other mall shops.
Which one will it be? The Tweety bird is just so adorable, but he might be a little too delicate. I'll bet Mr. Kitty can take his lumps. Perhaps if I could see how friendly they are. Oh my, isn't that sweet? Are you friendly too, Mr. Kitty Cat? Do they do any tricks?
Ta-da!
Oh, how lovely.
That's the oldest trick in the book. That's not even real milk.
I decided to take you for myself, Tweety, and Sylvester went to my granddaughter. Oh, she's such a spirited child.
Suffer and succotash! Succotash!